Hey everyone, so going through the scrapyard again. I haven't been in about two and a half years. I finally got enough stuff that I thought it was worth going on the drive. There's about 3 boxes of cable, about 5, maybe 6 boxes about this big of aluminum, some copper bearing motors, about 3 boxes of those, maybe 4, some copper, obviously uncleaned or not clean, some brass, ignore the spare tire. This is like we have this big bucket full of aluminum. Should be fun tomorrow. Definitely opened up a lot of space. Like I've always said, I don't really go around and pick up scrap and take things apart, but this is more of a, I guess, leftover from what I do, which is deal with electronics. So things that aren't working and cables that are useless and things, I put them in boxes, hoard them, and then go for a big haul at the scrapyard. I'm hoping for a few $100s here. Should be enough for that. And like I've always said, this is more of a what's left type thing, kind of like at an apple orchard. You know, all the nice yummy apples are sold, and then all the leftovers, the scrap, the stuff that's on the floor becomes feed and whatnot, and it's kind of the same concept I do. So everything that doesn't work is the feed, and it all goes to the scrapyard. So let's see how it goes tomorrow. Talk to you guys soon. Hey guys, so made it to the scrapyard. Van is just full of empty boxes now. Quite fun. I always love coming here. I don't come here often enough. I don't get as much scrap as I used to. I used to come here about once a year. Value wise, I did not bad. Almost 500. Can't really complain for stuff that like I've said many times in my videos, I used to throw in the trash. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this, and I'll definitely keep on scrapping and you know, hoarding all my scrap from all the electronics I take apart and sell. So talk to you guys soon.